Hi, I'm Mehdi. I'm the chocolate guy. I'm going to show you a really simple recipe with chocolate covered strawberries with almonds. I'm using chocolate chips here because they melt well. First, you want to just drizzle some olive oil on your chocolate. This really helps melt quicker, easier. So you want to take this, put it in the microwave for 20 seconds at a time. You want to really be careful when you're microwaving chocolate because it tends to burn really quickly. So 20 seconds. This is going to be a really great recipe. It's going to wow your friends and it's really healthy, good for you. So we're almost there. It'll take a couple of times in the microwave before it's completely melted. It just needs, I'd say, 10 more seconds. Be perfect. All right, this is our last go. It should be nice and melted when we're done. Okay, now you give it a good stir. So now you see it's all melted and looking sexy. So we're gonna pour it into a Ziploc bag. We're using a Ziploc bag because it's cheap and you can throw it away at the end, you don't have to wash it. You wanna take your Ziploc bag, close it up and make sure all the air is out. And you wanna just squeeze it to one corner. Give it a twist. Then we're gonna take a little snip off the tip of the bag. This is where you wanna just cut a small hole because you can't really go back. So then you wanna just take your bag and drizzle on the strawberries. You can really have fun with this now. You don't have to be really technical with it, just go back and forth. So we're gonna sprinkle our chopped almonds right on top. And then just throw it in the fridge until it sets. Chocolate, almonds, and strawberries. It's all good for you. Enjoy.